Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. In this video you will learn how to register poly trio 8800 conference phone with Grandstream PBX. So you can see I have a IP PBX UCM and I'm going to register an extension in poly IP phone. I'm going to copy the password of this extension and on the poly conference phone navigate to settings and line option. Now make sure SIP is enabled and on the options select give a name and on the address give the extension number which you want to register in your phone and then authorization option in the domain enter the IP address of your PBX IP address. So in my condition I have UCM PBX and you can verify the IP address. And give the user ID as extension number and set the password. Now click on the option SIP server 1. Again enter the IP address of your PBX and keep the other settings as default. Do not change any other settings. And you can also configure your SIP server 2 in case of failover of primary PBX. Now click on save and click yes. Now the phone is registered and we can verify from the PBX extension dashboard. So you can see extension number 1000 is registered with poly IP phone and we can make the call from poly phone to any other IP phone as well web application. So this way you can register your poly conference phone with Grandstream PBX or any SIP supported PBX. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and share this video. Thank you.